This is my prototype of the Oreo-scope, and basically it's an Oreo cookie dispenser safe disguised as a piece of benchtop equipment. My plan is to put it inside of this case right here. That's a $40 case I purchased off Amazon, and I had to design everything to kind of fit within the constraints of that container or that box. It's just hollow, it's empty, and gave me an idea of what size I was going to be working with. The first part of the safe is that it has to be unlocked, and it's going to look like a contraption here in the front, and basically the lock is the two knobs here are going to prevent it from sliding outside of the case. So those two tabs are prevented from moving by this plastic bar right here. And that plastic bar is held into place by a fuse. So my fuse is ultimately the lock. So if I loosen that, take that out, the bar slides out of the way, and it allows me to turn up the knobs, and then thus the whole thing will slide out right up to about here is where it will slide out of the case. One of the things that will happen before you unlock it is you'll turn it on, and when you turn it on, basically, I'll plug that in. Basically the gears here turn, and I'm using right now an 81 RPM motor, and it's turning this cookie tray so slowly, it's barely noticeable actually, and thus will limit the amount of time I can have access to the cookies. Thanks for watching.